Here we go. First, looks. What is this? Yep. Hey, that's.
On your 5 minutes. This is what we got, boys.
It's not a bad one. Nice. That's how we do it, boys. The first fish on the St. Croix
of this season.
Oh my. Small. Stop fighting.
Get it? You got it.
Oh, you might want to net it. There we go. Just because I don't really want to boat flip it.
There we go. Number 2 on the day.
Let's go, baby. Hooked him good. Finally, these drum. Okay, I'll show you guys a picture in about 5 seconds.
You recording?
Yeah, I am. You still on there?
I think so. Smallest little guy in the world.
I'm hooked up with number 1 finally.
It's so light on this pole. My line's so thick here. Or
That thing is so tiny. Hey, look at that baby.
I'm on the board, baby.
So small. This thing feels massive. It's giving me a workout. Holy crap, what is this?
Cat?
No. Oh,
Yeah.
Smalley? I got it.
Hey.
Not bad.
That was a good hit.
That nice smallmouth right there.
It's pretty. A lot of color.
Yeah, hope you know how to flip a camera. Might need a net.
Yeah.
Not bad.
That's like quarter pound.
Good. I'm like, why can I not reel? Did he swallow it again?
Yeah, he swallowed it.
Didn't even have a bite. I was just reeling it in.
Recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Oh my god, I'm it.
That's a big one.
Holy crap. That thing's heavy. Well, there's another one.
I'm guessing that's a sheep's head?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh wow, he's shaking. And I.
Teeth and stuff for the-
No, these guys don't have teeth.
Oh, neat.
Yeah, I just
Wow,
set
look
him.
at that.
We need the grip.
Got more teeth in or no?
About 2.6.